Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make muffins, but not your regular muffins. Keep watching. First, you chop your vegetables, tomatoes and spring onions, and if you're adding pepper, sweet pepper, you can chop that too. Set them aside. Then you crack 4 eggs into a bowl, adding your seasoning and spices according to your taste. I added blended ginger and garlic, black pepper, paprika and salt. Then whisk together to combine. Mix together the chopped vegetables and some tuna, adding some more black pepper if you wish. Just let it be according to your taste. So I will drop the ingredients used in the description. Be sure to check that out. Next, you grease your pan. Silicone muffin trays are best used for this as they come off easily. Now scoop your mixed vegetables and tuna into the pan and pour in your egg mixture. Bake for about 20 minutes at about 180 degrees to 200 degrees Celsius depending on your oven. So I forgot to add cheese. Yeah, cheese is part of the recipe, which I later did after putting it in the oven, and that caused a mess at the top of the tray, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Will you be trying this recipe? Leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.